In this video, we're going to compare the features of Exness and Deriv, side by side to determine the best fit for your needs. As of August 2022, Exness has hundreds of thousands of active clients and trillions of dollars in trading volume. The broker provides its clients with access to a wide variety of assets, including forex, cryptocurrencies, metals, energies, and more. The distinguished broker also offers a range of account kinds to accommodate the unique requirements of each trader. On the other hand, we have Deriv. Deriv is a new trading platform that has roots going back 20 years to as far back as 1999. This new platform is an exciting and refreshing improvement from its predecessor Binary.com. According to the broker, the platform is created to be a place where people can trade what they want, how they want. Deriv has over 1 million users who execute 43 million trades daily and withdraw $9 million on average each month. Let's get started. Regulation. Forex market regulation refers to the rules and laws that firms operating in the forex industry must follow. Regulation is more than just having rules in place, it's also about the ongoing oversight and enforcement of these rules. The purpose of regulation is to protect you from undisclosed financial risk and fraud, trading conditions. Trading fees. Deposit and withdrawal method. Trading platforms. Investment programs. Customer support. Education. Click on the link in the description to get started with the broker that suits your needs best. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that thumbs up button, subscribe, and see you next time. OMG Pips. Signing out.